In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the best settings to change inside of Google Classroom. Hey guys, welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a brand new video. If you haven't watched my video on Google Classroom 101 for teachers, click or tap the iCard in the top right of your screen or check out the links in the description box below. All of the settings that we're going to be covering is only going to be under the main settings icon, which can be accessed by clicking the cog icon at the top right of your Google Classroom page. From here, you are able to change your class details such as the name, description, room, and your subject. But then if you scroll down, you're able to access whether you're accepting students or not. You're able to access the invitation link, the class code, and you're even able to display the class code. And then just underneath that, you have the stream. So the stream is all of your classwork that you've set, as well as the comments that students or yourself have made. And you can change it so that students can post and comment, students can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. Then right at the bottom, you'll see this option here, which says show deleted items. And what you want to do is make sure that this is toggled off, since if somebody accidentally makes a post, or if you make a post, it will still be, if this is turned on, it will still be visible to everybody. Finally, there is marking, and generally you wouldn't need to use this unless you're actually doing some form of grading system from within Google Classroom, but if you do want me to create a video about it, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. So those are all of the basic settings inside of Google Classroom that you should change. If you're interested in finding out how to check if people have submitted work and to see their attachments they've created, click or tap the video shown on screen now, or for another video by Google Tutorials, click or tap the video shown on screen now. Don't forget to subscribe, as we've got a ton more content just like this. Also check out the Google Tutorials for Teachers playlist shown on screen now, and I'll see you soon.